All right, first grade, we are going to be doing Unit 3, Week 4, Day 1, Dictation. Okay? Make sure you have at the top, it says Unit 3, Week 4, Day 1. Because these forms are all different. We want to make sure that these line up with the words we're doing today. First thing you're going to do is write your name on your paper. At any time, please pause this video. I'm going to go pretty fast because of the time that I have to record. So pause it any time you need to rewrite the word. All right, we're working on our long O on this dictation. Long O with magic E. We do have a couple blends. We even have a tri-blend right here. We'll talk about that when we get to it. First word, get your tapping hand out. The first word is robe. Repeat with me. Robe. R-O-B. Robe. Start writing yours. R-O-B. Make sure you put your magic E. When you rewrite your word, you do not have to put your stars above your magic E. Rewrite it in your nicest, bestest handwriting. Make sure you have your letters in the house, in the attic, or in the basement where they belong, not all over the place. Number 2, joke. Joke. Found it? Joke. J-O-K. Joke. J is the J. O. Long O sound, we know it's an O. Silly. Then we have our K sound. Well, it's going to be next to magic E. So our cat-kite rule tells me that's going to be a... If you thought K, you were correct. Give yourself a smiley face. Then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. See how your J goes down in the basement? Number 3, froze. We have a blend right here, so 2 letters are going to go here. So the word froze, what are going to be my first 2 letters that go here? If you said F, R, good job. You know it's magic E. O, fur, O, Z. O, Z. Froze. Froze. Remember, on this side is your best handwriting. Pause it if you need more time. Number 4. Uh-oh. We have a tri-blend, which means 3 letters that are going to be blended together. The word is stroke. Stroke. S-tr-o-k. Stroke. Let's start with that blend. Stir. Stir. I hear an S. What else do you hear? Stir. T, good. And then stir. What does it end with? If you said R, good job. Stroke. O, k, k. Follow that same cat-kite rule. You know it's going to be a K because it takes the E. Stroke. And then write it in your nicest handwriting. Number 5. Prone. Prone. A blend. Prone. You said N, good job. And then we have our magic. Is it magic Q? No, it's magic E. Good job. Give yourself a heart for that one. Rewrite prone in your nicest handwriting. Go ahead and pause it here. Look back at all your words. Check in with mine. Make sure everything looks good. Make sure this is your nicest handwriting. We're going to do one sentence, not two. So next we'll do the sentence. All right, our sentence. First we have a mountain and we have a box here. The mountain means capital, box means punctuation. We're changing our cups to cops. The sentence is, his wife made him a fine robe. His wife made him a fine robe. Let's start with his. Is. Well, it's a red word. We can't really sound it out. His. H-I-S. How did I know it was a red word? Double line. His wife. Okay, that's a long I. W. I. Do we stop there? If I stop there, it says whiff. That's not good. We need to put an E there for wife. Good. His wife made him a fine robe. Made is your next word. M-A-D. Again, don't stop there, or the word's mad. Made him. I'm going to have you tap it out on your own. Him. If you had this, great job. His wife made him a, oh really? That's the hardest sight word ever. Just kidding. Fine. Fine. Use our rule this week. Long I, magic E. Fine. And then robe. Robe. Well, robe was one of our words up here. So we know how to spell it. Robe. And since we're just making a statement, his wife made him a fine robe. I'm just going to put a period right here. There's no question. We're not excited about it. Now, once you're done, you're going to call the cops. Do I have my capital? Yes, I do. Is it organized? Yes. Punctuation? Yes. Is it spelled correctly? Yes. Now I will rewrite it. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and rewrite mine really fast. Go ahead and pause right now, and then come back to me when you are done rewriting your sentence, taking your own time. Make sure you're not writing super big. You can fit it on this one line. So don't write super big, or you're going to be like, I ran out of room. And if you do, that's okay. We're not doing a second sentence, so you can finish writing it down here. But I want you to try to make it all fit on that line. All right, I did mine. I think I did pretty good, other than I got a little crazy with my F there. Got a little tall. All right, great job, first grade. Again, this was Unit 3, Week 4, Day 2. I will see you back on for Day 1. Sorry, Day 1. I'll see you back for Day 2 in a couple days.